Hello and welcome to Sanchay CRM. I'm Sakshi Lokhande, and in this quick video, I'll show you how to log your attendance using the Sanchay CRM Mobile App. So on your mobile app, tap the three short lines, that is menu icon, in the top left corner. Here at the top of the panel, you'll see the clock in button. Tap on it. Now you'll be asked for camera permission. Select while using the app. Now, this is needed to capture your selfie or photo as a part of attendance. You also need to turn on when prompted for location access. This is required so the app can record your current location when you mark attendance. Now, the app will open your camera, take a photo, and press OK. Add a remark if needed, then tap Submit. And that's it. Your attendance is marked and you're clocked in. Now the app will also show you your daily working hours along with your clock in and clock out times. And when you're ready to clock out, simply repeat the same steps from pressing the clock out button here. Just like this. Now let's explore the attendance module dashboard. From the menu, scroll down and select the attendances module. Here in the bottom panel, tap on your dashboard. Now here, if you are a team leader or a boss, this section will show you your entire team's attendance details in one place. Next to the dashboard tab, you'll see profile. Tap on it to view your own attendance categorized month-wise and year-wise from here. The last tab on the bottom panel is reports. You can tap here to generate detailed reports. For example, you can download a monthly attendance report for April 2025 to check total working hours, leave days, and clock in, clock out trends. All of this helps you track, analyze, and optimize your attendance patterns over time. Now, note that the attendance feature is available only on the mobile app, not on the web version. Lastly, stay organized and productive with Sanchay CRM. Thank you for watching.